which have been shown to be associated with cancer, function in a cell and related to DNA repair, and how these variants act in response to various anti-cancer agents, as well as how many double-strand breaks accumulate in cells in which these variants are present.
I've been doing what's separating, quantifying, and visualizing DNA. I separate and quantify using ion pair, reverse phase, high-performance liquid chromatography, and visualize using atomic force microscopy.
So this year I'm presenting a project I did at UW about quantum defects in diamonds and how we can study their emissive properties to know more about how we can scale them onto quantum circuits for efforts in quantum computing.
Today we're presenting on our research, which focuses on observing the transfer of electrons from one 2D material to the next.
I think that the educational value of coming to a conference is just practicing speaking about what research you do, as well as sort of collaborating with other students in various subjects. Like I do marine biology and microbiology, but it could easily be collaborative with a bunch of other subjects.
The value of making a poster is basically sitting back and reflecting and having to just write about everything that you did over the course of the last few months and present it on a single piece of paper and talk about it for maybe 5 minutes with somebody, and just sharing the knowledge of what you learned and what you designed and built over the course of the last few months.
And I had the opportunity to work with Andrew Baggett over the summer doing organic synthesis. And this has been a really great opportunity, for one, just to have research as an undergraduate and to be able to present it, to get that practice for graduate school and going beyond into a career. It's just a great opportunity.
I think it's important that we present our research at these conferences so that we can interact with other undergrad students and learn what they're researching, as well as explain our research so we get a better understanding of what we've been doing all summer.
Being able to present this research at a conference like this has been monumental in my learning and growing as a person. Being able to, learn how to communicate with a bunch of other scientists from a bunch of other disciplines has been immensely helpful for me and super useful for my career and future.
It's nice to hear other students talking about their research, because you always have professors who talk about their research and what they're doing, but they have PhDs, they've been doing this for years and years, and while that's fantastic, it's lovely to hear another student talking about what they've done and what research they have contributed to, well, all of science basically, because they've been doing this research for like approximately the same amount of time as me.